Okay, this is take two. I had something in my eye. So, anyways, take two of doing the intro. So, we're going to be drawing today. If you're new here, I'm Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. We're going to be drawing today some dinos together, and I think that would be really fun to have your sketchbook and just doodle. The reason being is because we just have to like draw on a page or something and make it messy and have fun with it. Here's some bunnies I had done earlier. Also, we'll be doing some elephants I did earlier this week. So there's that. That was on Sunday. I was really inspired that day. Sorry, I got a text message. But this is my sketchbook I am using. I go over my sketchbook as well and the tools and everything that you need to know. This is not really a how to make your sketchbooks messy per se, because I already have several videos on my channel about that. Regardless, this is just how to fill your sketchbook and how to have fun in your sketchbook and how to like get messy. Well, not really get messy, but like not, you know, just be you in your sketchbook. And I want to say that because I like to draw cute stuff and everything, and I like to see this page is really messy. It's not perfect, it's not like it's beyond you know, good, but it's not like beyond spectacular. But it's just a messy place where you come to after a day of work and just, or a day of drawing or something, just to relax in. You can even skip a page if you feel like it. Like here, I skipped a page because I didn't feel like drawing on that page. I was going to brainstorm on that page, but I didn't. I just left it blank, and that's okay too if you skip pages. If you want to start right smack in the middle of your sketchbook, start right smack in the sketchbook. It's your sketchbook. I can't stress that enough. It's your place, and I feel like if you need, it's your safe place, and I feel like this channel is meant to be a safe place for you guys to come to. And it's not really about this channel, but I just wanted to say this is like your safe place. You can do anything. I even, on my bad days, I would probably just write negative stuff in here because it's my place. Now I try to keep a positive vibe and everything, but I just wanted to say that because that's an important point I wanted to make. It's not where you show everyone. You can have a specific sketchbook for privacy, and you can have a certain sketchbook for like, I don't know, just to have fun in. So I'm gonna leave you guys here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go on to my desk, and I will show you some tips and tricks how you can make your sketchbooks the way you want to, instead of trying to make it like everyone else. I hope you guys like today's video. I hope you guys like this video segment and everything. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. And guys, thank you for watching. Okay, hey guys, we're back at my desk, and we're going to do a mini sketchbook tour because I'm going to be showing you some little bit of secrets of how to make your sketchbook messy. I've done several videos on this already, but this is kind of like part 2 of that video because I'm running out of ideas to make for YouTube. So we will be filling this spread together. So we're going to go ahead and start some sketches back here. So you want to fill in the negative areas and want to outline your sketches, you can do that. So here's several. Here's some bears, dogs. This my sketchbook is really messy, so I kind of like that idea. So some girls, some clean sketches a little bit. Elephants, unicorns. Sorry, I'm going a little fast because there's a lot to get done today, and I was cold that day, so I drew kind of a new version of myself being cold. Fashion sketch, but not really finished. Bunnies I did earlier today, and then we'll be doing this page too. Also, if you want to write at the top or something to make it cohesive, is write what you sketch or a little summary. I have to do that or whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So dinos, a little heart. So, and then usually I write down the date and everything. So, that is the sketchbook tour. Sorry, kind of quick, but we're gonna be doing the spread together, and I'll be showing you. This is like, the non-messy version, I guess, of my sketches. Like, it could get really crazy, as you see here and here. So it could get really crazy. So anyways, go ahead and do the intro of the video. I will do another video on how to draw these girls in my style. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, do the intro of the video, and we'll get started with today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video. I wanted to cover on this topic how to make your sketchbook a safe place to go to at the end of the workday or at the end of a drawing day per se. And you don't want to have your sketchbook so perfect in a way that is Instagram worthy and everything. So you just want to, practice in your sketchbook and try not to make everything so perfect that you get tired of posting on Instagram and you get overwhelmed of how many likes and dislikes you have, and it's a lot, and you want to come to your sketchbooks in a way that you can have the pressure lifted and lifted off and everything. So I just want to talk about that a little bit. So I hope you guys, your sketchbooks, again, don't have to be perfect. If you feel like scribbling on a page, scribble on a page. If you feel like just drawing a bunch of circles to get your arm formed up, do that. Or if you just want to make a dot, call it good, or start in the middle of a sketchbook, go ahead and do it. It's your place. You can make the rules. You can make, there's no rules in how to make your sketchbook look. You don't have to be like somebody else who's on Instagram. Now, it's great if you want to study their art and everything, and if you want to like play around with techniques and learn and get your grounding in your sketchbook and find your style. Your sketchbook is your place to do it. You can draw in different styles. Basically, I draw in one style, and I have multiple I like to draw in whenever I get in the mood to, and it's what makes you your art. And your sketchbook is meant to be a playground, and I wanted to stress that because a sketchbook is your place. It's just white pages, plain pages. You just gotta fill it. Now I can do a how to fill a sketchbook video series if you want me to do that. I could definitely have some ideas and everything. I'm sure Myra Byler has a lot of how to fill sketchbook videos. You go check her out. But I just wanted to talk about the importance of having your sketchbook as a playground as I do these dinos here. I like to draw one subject on a page, but that's just me because I like to have it cohesive. But that's how my brain works. And to have it messy and to have, that playground and everything. So I just wanted to share some tips with you how to get started with that. You want to have the negative areas filled with color if you want to, or you can just put like a flash of color or watercolor in the background or something and then call it good. I'm going to go ahead and put music on the rest of this, but you guys got the gist of what I'm saying here. I don't have to repeat myself so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and go check the store out if you haven't. H-artful, Rivalable, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.